And it's now time for the business day. Jamaica's banking sector is facing unprecedented threats as a recent report from the Bank of Jamaica highlights that internet banking fraud has skyrocketed by 890.6% since 2020. This is 330.6 million compared to 2029 and the previous years. Based on a study conducted in 2024, credit card and debit card fraud accounted for an average of 69.3%, $815.3 million of total fraud reported by licensees at the end of 2023. There were also 5 reported incidents targeting cash-in-transit service providers during the year and 10 attempted robberies at ATM locations. Stolen funds amounted to approximately $145 million. This surge in cybercrimes has become one of the most significant emerging threats to the country's banking sector. The BOJ is warning both financial institutions and the public to stay alert and take proactive measures to counter this growing threat. Kingston Properties has expanded its international footprint with the acquisition of its second property in the United Kingdom. The company finalized the purchase of Building 4 Dorking Business Park yesterday. The company adds the acquisition aligns with its strategy of geographic diversification and investment in resilient markets. The building's tenants operate in critical industries such as healthcare, aviation logistics, and media and event management, sectors with strong demand fundamentals in both the regional and national economy. The purchase was funded through a mixture of debt and cash resources. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 3,403 points today, while the junior market index declined by 138 points. 30 stocks advance, including Carbon Producers, Carbon Assurance Brokers, Kintyre Holdings, Cygnus Real Estate Financial US dollar shares, and Jetcon Corporation. 68 stocks declined, including Main Event Entertainment Group, Medical Disposables and Supplies, AS Bryden and Sons Holdings, US dollar shares, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, and JFP. 21 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended today with the US dollar selling for an average $158.54. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $110.75. The pound is going for $203.53, while the euro is selling for an average $170.87. And that's it for the business day. Regional and international stories are next.
The Business Day, brought to you by
Start your